Hello everyone, welcome to Elite Weather. My name is Mr. G and this is your weather today. And we're going to be taking a look at our current surface and radar conditions right now across America. We are seeing some rain showers down here across the southeast and through the Georgia and Alabama. So Atlanta area and Tuscaloosa, we're going to be seeing some rain showers this evening and some snow showers up here across portions of the Great Lakes, so Michigan and eastern Wisconsin. You guys also are seeing a few showers out there and some snow showers here through the central and northern Rockies, and then some more rain and snow coming on shore along the Pacific Northwest, as well as our next big Pacific storm is making its way on shore, and that guy is going to raise havoc across the country as we head into next week. So here is our current temperatures across the country right now, and you want to pay particular note down here along the Gulf Coast as we're seeing those temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s. Look at that 82 down there in Houston. So a very warm evening out there for you folks down across the south, and that is because you're going to be seeing some severe weather down here across the Gulf Coast and in the mid-south as we head into next week. Warm temperatures down here in Florida as well. Nice temperatures through the northeast as you're seeing those temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s, and those 10s and 20s here across the Great Lakes, the northern plains. We're seeing those really cold temperatures across the high plains of the Dakotas and into Montana, where we're seeing those temperatures in the 20s this evening. And if we take a look at the West Coast, we're seeing those cold temperatures through the northern Rockies and those temperatures into the 20s and 40s along the Pacific Northwest coastal sections. So Seattle and Portland, you're seeing those temperatures in the 40s, and it gets a little bit warmer as you head down the coast into Southern California and into Arizona as well. The southwestern deserts, we're seeing those temperatures in the 50s out there. So cool evening for some of you folks. Pretty warm down across the southeast, because our next big storm is going to raise some havoc down there across the plain states and into portions of the mid-south as we head into the upcoming work week. And now here we are with your forecast for Saturday, and on this map we're going to be looking at a storm system moving across the southern plains here and the Ozarks. So we're going to be seeing a few rain showers down across Texas and then through the state of Arkansas. Some more rain showers across the southeast. So just a little bit of showers here around Myrtle Beach in South Carolina, and some snow showers up here in the Pacific, and not in the Pacific, but in the northern plains in the upper Midwest here into Minnesota and Wisconsin. I think those snow showers is just going to stay just to the north and east of Minneapolis and St. Paul, but you will see some showers here in Duluth, and we're going to be seeing some snow showers there across central and northern Wisconsin, and more snow showers coming on shore across the west as we have our next storm that's headed on shore there, that's going to be bringing snow through the Cascade Mountain Range and across the eastern areas of Washington and Oregon. So those snow showers have yet to move across the northern Rockies, but you will be seeing those in the overnight hours. So in the evening, here we are with that snow starting to move through the Cascade Mountain Range, and we're going to even see some rain showers down into California. So San Francisco, San Luis Obispo, the Central Valley is going to start to pick up some rain showers, and eventually that rain is going to make it to LA and into Southern California as well. And here we are as we take a look at our city of the day, which is going to be Tuscaloosa, Alabama. Yes, right, the wonderful city of Tuscaloosa, and our bus stop weather forecast for your morning hours tomorrow as you head on out the door. If you got weekend activities or if you got to work on the weekend, in the morning as you head out, it's going to be 58 degrees when you wake up out there. So pretty mild out there in Alabama, and 70 for your high, but you're going to be seeing those clouds increase throughout the day because you do have thunderstorms and some severe weather on the way as well down there. In your 5-day weather forecast out there across Tuscaloosa, you're going to be seeing those partly cloudy skies with the high of 70 on your Saturday. Sunday, showers and some thunderstorms move in, so you're going to see the high of 67. Things clear out a little bit for your Monday and Tuesday, then more showers and storms move in by Wednesday. So that is your 5-day forecast for our city of the day, Tuscaloosa, Alabama. And if you want your city to be used as the city of the day, just leave it in the chat and let me know what city you live in, and I will use it in one of our City of the Day forecasts. All right, so here we talk about our next big series of storms that we're going to be dealing with. And this weekend, that big storm, we're seeing it right now as it's coming down the west coast there, and it's going to eventually end up the coast of Northern California, and that storm is going to eventually make its way inland across the Rockies and plop itself right here across the Midwest as we head into early next week. And with that, we're going to be seeing Gulf moisture get pulled up and that cold air coming down out of Canada. So snow across the north and warmth here with some showers, thunderstorms, and some severe weather as we head into Monday and Tuesday of next week. So a pretty dynamic storm system that's going to be moving through the Midwest and across the Great Lakes and the Plain States. All right, so here we are with our snow and rain forecast through Tuesday, and we're going to be looking at rain down here across the South. We're going to be seeing rain down into LA, San Diego, and into Arizona as well, and some snow across the higher elevations. This is the Mogollon Rim right here, Show Low and Pine Top. Flagstaff is going to be picking up some snow. Some of these places can pick up to 2 feet of snow through portions of the Wasatch Mountain Range around near Salt Lake City, and through Idaho as well. We're going to be picking up quite a bit of snowfall and more heavy snow through the Sierra Nevadas of California, where we're going to be picking up about 18 to 24 inches of snow this weekend with that storm system. And as we take a look at our Monday through Thursday of the upcoming week, snowfall outlook for the Midwest, Minnesota, we're going to be seeing a little bit of snow, and a couple of areas are going to be picking up about 10 inches of snow down here through the Midwest. So through Nebraska, South Dakota, you might pick up some heavier snow, and we're going to be seeing some heavier snow in pockets here through the plain states of the northern plains as we move through the week next week. So that is a look at that snow that we're going to be contending with through the plains and the upper Mississippi Valley near the Great Lakes. And that storm will eventually, in the latter half of the week, it's going to make its way toward the northeast. So we're going to be seeing snow across the northeast, and we're going to be seeing rainfall across the southeast and to the mid-Atlantic. So we're going to be dealing with some showers and some thunderstorms and maybe even a little bit of severe weather down here along the Gulf Coast and the southeastern coast. So we're going to keep an eye on that, keep you up to date as things evolve over the course of the week. It's just kind of a sneak preview of how far reaching this current storm that's going to be moving onshore on the west coast, going to make its way across the country over the next 7 days. A look at how it's going to affect and that severe weather as we wrap things up. That severe weather here across the mid-south here in the Louisiana and Arkansas and eastern Texas. We're going to be seeing those severe thunderstorms outbreak, a severe weather outbreak as we move through the day on Tuesday. So plentiful storm energy, so very potent storm, a lot of low-level moisture coming up off of the Gulf of Mexico, a very dynamic storm system. So we're going to keep an eye on that, keep things updated every day. We're going to track this storm as it makes its way across the nation. My name is Mr. G. That is your weekend weather forecast. I will be back tomorrow night. We're going to talk about your Sunday and your early week next week, all right? Thanks for watching. Leave your likes, comments. Feel free to subscribe on YouTube. Follow me on TikTok. See you guys all in the next video. Bye-bye.